do a quick little yard, show everybody the yard and the equipment that we have right now. So I'll flip the camera around and we'll take a look at a couple of things. So we got our favorite there, just the Ford F-250 gas, regular cab, regular rear end, utility truck. That works absolutely phenomenal. It gets in some pretty crazy places, mud, all that stuff. It's got pretty short wheelbase, kind of like a heavy Jeep there. It's a good weight from the box. Carry a little bit of a diesel tank there. It's a old custom one, about 100 gallons. Works pretty good. All right, we're a little bit of a mess from the last week, but that works. And then we got our 14K trailer, also works phenomenal. Dump trailer. And we got the Ford bucket truck, 60 footer. Does have low Kubota diesel pony motor, which I should use more. It would save a lot more fuel. Carry a couple ladders and a 12 foot chipper body, which actually has some in it that I need to dump. And then we have the Morbark 15-inch chipper that is absolutely awesome. It's a bit quirky, the kind of a hard starter sometimes, and sometimes it's not. But this thing's been, I think it's a '08, but it's been converted to modern electronics. So it will sense the RPMs dropping when it's being overfed, back it off, let the RPMs come back up, and then resume. It does have the winch, which is just awesome. We've skidded like whole cottonwood trees into this thing using that, so pretty impressive. And we got the rest of the yard's a little beat up from getting soggy, and we still need to put more gravel down. It's pretty stable out here. But we get a permafrost, and then the upper layer actually thaws. The water has nowhere to drain, so kids are being crazy. There's our log loads there, waiting for our mill to show up. 3 bunks going, and we'll show you the dump area back here. All right, we drive back here, kind of our dump area, wood processing area. We got some hemlock that came in that we gotta cut up. Got a lot of split wood there, some hemlock, a lot of good fir there. There's our crappy log splitter. The motor's just trash on, so we have to get that fixed. Got the quad for moving around. We have my apple wood pile from jobs that I actually save, that we use for smoke wood. And there's the chip piles are a little out of control. The tractor's down with some hydraulic problems, so I need to get that fixed so I can push these piles up. These are getting crazy. I need to export some of it too. And then some more junk piles, more brush, and some other, a massive cypress tree, I think, that we took down in Everett that I need to process up and use for something. So We'll walk out of the dump area now. Kind of show you the backside look here towards the front. Might catch some cows. Here's the equipment again. I've got some tractor implements, grapple, backhoe, my friend's post hole digger, and we got one of the fenced areas. You can see the cows out there. There's the chicken house. But every tree yard needs some cows lounging around happy. And there's the end result of a lot of the wood. We were kind of in a mad rush end of the summer. We had all the trees laid out here, and then a lot of processed stuff way back there. They wanted to get stacked and covered. Looks like the wind kind of blew the covers off. Eventually we'll do something a little bit better, actual roof or a better covering that allows more airflow. That plastic's not very efficient, but we gotta get that covered. But that is a lot of wood. We'll have to figure out how many cords that is someday. Well, thanks for doing a quick walk around. Here's my cedar in the front yard that someone had topped before I got here, but I cleaned up and sailed out, and she's awful pretty now. A pretty tree. Yeah. All right, talk to you guys later.